PyQpolygon in Python 3.6 Plus and PyQt5. I try to PyQpOlygon and load it afterwards, but I get an error. I have done this on Python 2 with PyQt4 but want to use it now on Python 3 with PyQt5. I do not want to read/load data generated with Python 2. The Pickle file is simply used to temporarily store Qt elements like polygons from Python 3 to Python 3. I have tested different protocol options from 1 to 4 for pickle.dump and tried to use the fix_imports equals true option, which should not make a difference in Python 3. Here is my simplified code. I get the following error message but can't do anything with it. Is there maybe any alternative to Pickle? Thanks in advance.
You can use KTostream to serialize, deserialize Qt objects.
A bit of searching on the docs tells you how you can implement custom pickling for custom classes via the _reduce_ method. Basically you return a tuple including the constructor for the new object to be created when unpickling, as well as a tuple of arguments that will be passed to the constructor. Optionally you can pass a state object, c_getState_ and _setState_, and some iterators to add positional data and key value data. By subclassing Polygon we can add pickleability as such. This could probably be cleaned up, restructured, but this is the first implementation I got to that worked.
This must be a bug in PyQt5, since the documentation states that PyQpOlygon is supported. Please therefore post a bug report to the Pyqt mailing list using your example. In the meantime, by far the simplest alternative is to use settings. Output. This can be used with any type Pyqt supports for pickling, plus anything else that Pyqt can convert to / from a variant. Pyqt also supports a type argument xSettings.value that can be used to explicitly state the required type. And since xSettings is designed for storing application config data, any number of objects can be stored in the same file, somewhat like Python's shelf module.
Inspired by the previous answers, I created a function that takes some kind of Qt that supports KTostream and returns a class that inherits from that class and is pickable. In the following example I show with Python and PainterPath. Using the opcode.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.